Kavita get she license and she driving well mad. Kavita get she license and she driving well mad. She driving like a mad woman all over Trinidad. Girl, if you're running to me bumper, I go mash you up well sad. If you're running to the structure, it go flat in you real bad. Kavita get she license and she driving well mad. She driving like a mad woman all over Trinidad. Girl, if you're running to me bumper, I go mash you up well sad. If you're running to the structure, it go flat in you real bad. Look trouble. Girl, watch yourself, watch yourself. Chutney music. Hey. She para by she a brand new car. The man say this car is just me daughter. Oh, this man mad. You didn't see that car? Huh. Look thing. She driving in the north, she driving in the south. She driving like a mad woman, she driving all about. The kind of speed you driving, I feel that I go flip. The kind of speed you driving, I feel that I go flip. Girl, if you feel your good, I hope you could handle it. Girl, if you're running to me bumper, I go mash you up well sad. If you're running to the structure, it go flat in you real bad. Kavita get she license and she driving well mad. She driving like a mad woman all over Trinidad. Girl, if you're running to me bumper, I go mash you up well sad. If you're running to the structure, it go flat in you real bad. You feel you ready? You feel you ready? Come on, Jess, come. Chutney music like a bullet, and you can't stop it. The trucker driving, you know it felt big. When you see her passing, others lick down everything. I don't like joking. You hitman inside, I'm telling you. Girl, let me tell you something, so listen real good. This truck made the iron and not out of wood. So if you're fed up riding, all let's pause one motor car. And if you want a change for the better. Come sit down next to hitman and feel the real power. Girl, if you're running to me bumper, I go mash you up well sad. If you're running to the structure, it go flat in you real bad. Kavita get she license and she driving well mad. She driving like a mad woman all over Trinidad. Girl, if you're running to me bumper, I go mash you up well sad. If you're running to the structure, it go flat in you real bad. Girl, if you're running to me bumper, I go mash you up well sad. If you're running to the structure, it go flat